Hey folks, in this video we're cooking chicken fried steak and gravy, and we're going to fix some drop biscuits out of Bisquick. We're going to fry these in some lard. For the gravy, I'm just going to use the fat that's left in the skillet, and I'm going to add just a little bit of lard to it. I'd actually turn the heat off of that, so I'll let it melt, and we'll add our flour and make our roux. Hey folks, we've got this finished. I'm going to dig in and take a bite of it. We've got gravy and biscuits, chicken fried steak, and an egg. It's supposed to be over easy over the top of it. Trying to get a little bite of everything there. That is delicious. We wanted to share a little Kentucky cooking with you all in this video. Hope you subscribe. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like the Bisquick. or if you make homemade biscuits. But like the video and check out some more of them. God bless y'all.